stupid. Oh, I'm not afraid to be. I love to be stupid with Stupid Monkey.
Stoop, get up. I gotta go pee.
Dude, the credits aren't even done rolling yet. Every time.
That's why I gotta go now. Besides, the first 45 minutes is just gonna be them singing and walking around anyway. Sorry, excuse me. Oh, that's my bad. Watch out!
Get off my lap!
All right, mister, be quiet. Your legs. Sorry about that. Be quiet. Excuse me. Oh, is that your foot? I'm sorry. Why you wearing sandals to the movies?
Oh, that was your soda. Was it diet? I'm gonna buy you another one. I'm sorry.
You guys on a date? You look cute. A date to the Hobbit? That's weird. Alright, are you taking up 2 seats? You broke the armrest? Damn, you fat.
Oh, there we go. Thank you very much.
Where is the bathroom?
Think I'll remember what theater we're in. Nope.
Ooh, got lightheaded now. What? Oh, man. Stoop? Stoop!
Is this the theater that I came out of a couple of minutes ago? Excuse me, did anybody see me leave this theater?
Stoop! Yo, Tate! Oh, thank the banana gods. What? Seriously?
Alright, looks like these are my friends now.
Ooh, should have gone when Biggie did. Never admit defeat. Just run!